Good morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Do 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 do
Ready to meet my client. She's downstairs. I want to go pick her up. Hello. Longest time. Happy? It's good to have you in my chair. Good to see you again. After how many?
It's months.
No man told you. Yes, for calling. Where are you?
Don't vex. No vex.
You saw my
Yes,
message on TikTok, right?
Yes.
I told you that I'll come there. I'll come to England.
Yes. But I'm here now. I brought myself to your doorstep.
Well done.
Yeah. do